for a successful career with Canada's largest chain of transmission and driveline repair specialists?
I've been with Mr. Transmission for 25 years now. Well, I used to be a carpenter. And I was doing that for maybe 10, 12 years. And then I decided to come here.
I've been a transmission rebuilder for, well, over 30 years now. I chose to join the transmission industry. I didn't want to do the general repairs. I wanted something more specialized, something I could use my brain more, because rebuilding transmission is basically like building models.
When you get to fix a transmission that you haven't done before, you know, fixing your first one or rebuilding your first one is always rewarding. Or when you have a vehicle that's giving you problems and you're having to fight with it for a while trying to figure out what's wrong, and then when you finally do figure it out, it's a good feeling.
Technological advances in the automotive industry are driving the demand for more specialized skills to deal with the newest technologies.
We do a full driveline service. More and more cars are all-wheel drive. It involves everything from the engine back. It'll include the transmission, it'll include transfer cases, drive shafts, differentials. Very strong support from our head office. They've made sure that all the shops get training. They have people on staff that'll come to the shop and help with new technology, new transmissions. CVT is a good example. They've done a big workshop on constantly variable transmissions. It's a new concept, but it's where we're at. That's new technology, and they're making sure we know what we're doing in the business.
At Mr. Transmission, we're the best in the industry, and we're looking for the best people to join our team.
What I enjoy about rebuilding transmissions is it's always a challenge. There's always something new. You've always got to learn new aspects of the transmission business, or 6-speed, 7-speed, 10-speed transmissions, CVT transmissions. It's always something new. So it's not the same job every day. It's not boring. You can always learn more stuff. It's very rewarding working on different vehicles. A lot of the higher end vehicles, working on Mercedes or Aston Martins or some old classic cars. It's fun to work on different stuff like that, not just all your domestic vehicles. We work on everything here.
Being at Mr. Transmission, working here, it hones your skill. Whereas if you were at another shop, like just a basic automobile shop, they wouldn't do this kind of work. So being here, you get better every day you come in.
The benefits for working for Mr. Transmission is that it's such a big company. We have so many shops across the country that we share information, we share knowledge, we share parts. It's a great company to work for, and for that reason.
So Mr. Transmission offers technical training and support by being a member of ATRA, the Automatic Transmission Rebuilders Association. They offer training seminars, as well as there's a technical support representative through Mr. Transmission's head office named Joe, who's been doing it for many years.
Our team here at Mr. Transmission is very good. Everybody helps each other, they're friendly, management staff is good. It's a pleasure to work here.
Being a franchise owner through Mr. Transmission, I'm able to make a very good living, support my family, live in a nice house, drive nice vehicles, go on vacations, spend the weekends at home with my family, work hard during the week. So it's a good life.
Mr. Transmission is looking for the best and brightest technicians who think they have what it takes to understand and tackle the most complicated part of today's vehicles. Make the shift, and we will provide you with the best in-class training by industry-leading experts.
Hey, Mr. Transmission.